Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, I will be showing you that what this RAM parasite is, why is it enabled by default, that is slowing down the performance, eating a lot of resources, and how to safely turn it off to free up memory and improve your PC performance. And my first recommendation is that you should disable the Windows 11 widgets. So make a right click on the taskbar, choose taskbar settings. Here in the taskbar item, you will find widgets. You have to toggle it off. And after this, you also need to disable this from the registry editor. So click on Windows search, type registry, bring it up. And I will be sharing the path in the description of this registry location. So you need to paste that path on the top, hit the enter key, and you will come to this location in advanced, that is under Explorer. Now here on the right hand side, you have to look for a value by the name taskbar DA. If you get it, then you can bring it up and change its value data to 0. If you do not find it, then you can even create it by making a right click on the blank space, hover up on new, choose .32-bit value, and then you can rename it to taskbar DA. And now next we have to disable the Copilot and other AI if not using. Now Copilot and other AI feature run in the background eating your RAM and CPU. So if you are not using any Windows 11 AI feature like Copilot, then better remove it. So for that, click on Windows search, type PowerShell, choose run as administrator, click on yes. Again, you will be getting this script in the description. You will have to copy it. Make a right click on the PowerShell and it will be pasted. Now hit the enter key. And very soon you will be getting this kind of dashboard, remove Windows AI. Now it gives you all the detail. If you want to read about it, you can read it. As of now, I will be just selecting all the option. Then below, you have to select the backup mode. You have to enable it so that in the future, if you want to revert this action, you can easily do that. Once you have selected the backup mode, now you can click on apply. It will ask you now to create a restore point. So you can just create any by typing any name and click on OK. And once it will be done, it will automatically start removing all the AI feature from your Windows 11. So it may take a while, so just wait. And once completed, it says AI removal process completed successfully. Would you like to restart the computer? So go ahead, click on yes, and let the computer get restarted. Alright, so once the computer get restarted, now we also need to uninstall the bloatware, especially like Microsoft Teams. Now Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneDrive, they occupy a lot of resources, lot of your RAM. And if you check in the task manager, even you can find it out that Teams is eating a lot of your RAM. OneDrive is eating a lot of your RAM. So these are basically the bloatware, the default application of Windows. And if you don't use it, better go ahead and uninstall it. So again, bring up the settings, click on apps, click on installed apps. Look for the bloatware you want to remove. Click on the 3 dot on the right of it, click uninstall. I will be removing all these like Bing, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft To Do. Alright, so very important steps. Even the Xbox, if you're not using the Xbox, go ahead and uninstall it. And if you're not using the Xbox, you have to uninstall it and even you have to disable it from the settings. So after removing it from the left hand side only, click on gaming, click on game bar and just disable the game bar option. This also eats a lot of your RAM. Next, after this, close it and click on Windows search, type services, bring it up. And in the services, you have to look for a service by the name Connected User Experience and Telemetry. So press the C key, you will be getting this service, Connected User Experience. Double click on it. The startup type, choose it to disable. Stop the service. Click on apply and click on OK. And now finally, we have to also disable one more last feature, that is delivery optimization. So again, bring up the settings. And in the setting from the left hand side, click on Windows Update. Then click on Advanced option. And below the additional option, you will find delivery optimization. Click on it. And it will be enabled by default. And this basically says if you turn this on, your device may send part of your previously downloaded Windows update and application to device on your local network or on the internet. So what will happen if this feature is being enabled? This operating system, this machine will be sending the downloaded update and other kind of application over the internet. And for this, it eats a lot of resources, a lot of bandwidth, and it's really not recommended for the regular user. So toggle off this option, and that's it. Once you have disabled and made all these changes, now, of course, the next time when you will bring up the task manager, you will find a change. And you can see the memory consumption has been dropped from 85 to 65. And so on, you will be getting the better performance now. Hopefully this video will surely help you. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.